Every skill that you have or develop actually increases the value of all the other skills that you have in dental sleep medicine. Think about the musical artist Usher. Usher started out, he probably was a really great dancer and a great singer. All of a sudden, he made a hit record. After he had a hit record, he started recruiting and producing other people, or recruiting other artists and producing their records. He learned how to produce other artists' records. That increased all the value of his other skills. When he was able to recognize talent, like Justin Bieber, for instance, that increased his value as a whole, his ability to recognize talent and promote that talent. So every time you focus on a skill in dental sleep medicine, it increases all the other skills. The question is, what skill do you need to focus on in dental sleep medicine that will increase the value of all the other stuff? The best skill you can possibly focus on in dental sleep medicine is sales, because it's the ability to get people to make the decision that is going to benefit them most. It's going to benefit your business, it benefits your patient, it benefits their families, and then it's going to benefit all of the other things downstream of that, because the more patients you're treating, the better you're getting at the clinical side, the better you're getting at the follow-up side, the better your staff is getting communicating with patients, because they're going to have more opportunity to do so, all because you focused on getting better at sales. So let sales be your focus, and you're going to get better at all the other skills in dental sleep medicine.